Hi, first grade, and welcome to science class. So today we are going to be talking about uses of light. So your learning targets today are I can explain how people use light, and then I can identify how people use light to communicate with others who are far away. All right, so your vocabulary for today is communicate, which means to share a message. All right, so your jumpstart discovery. So why are the headlights on the car turned on? And then what would happen if the car did not have headlights? So I want you to recognize that without headlights, the road would be dark and dangerous to drive on. So why are the headlights on the car turned on? Well, they are turned on to help us see at nighttime. And then what would happen if the car did not have headlights? Well, we could run into stuff on the road. Like, look at this picture. If this car did not have headlights, they could have ran into the deer because they could not see the sign that says deer crossing, right? So I want you to know that street lights, they are used to light up the road, and brake lights are used to alert someone when the car will stop. All right, so lesson 3, uses of light. So I want you to listen and follow along as I read pages 60 to 63. They are going to be on my slides, but you can also use your science workbook and follow along there. All right, so light and mood. Theaters use light for mood. Mood makes you feel a certain way. A theater uses bright yellow lights, and this can make you feel happy. A theater uses dark purple lights. This can make you feel scared. So when is bright light used? Well, bright light helps when reading. Bright light helps with writing. So it says underline evidence of why a library has bright lights. Well, we know that bright light helps when reading. So when we are reading, we need to make sure that we have a bright light, because if we read in the dark, we are not able to see the words. So when light is used for mood, there are often other things like sounds and movement that add to the mood. So I'm going to ask you what the effect of the lighting is in these two situations. So, a restaurant has low lights and a candle on each table. What kind of effect does that bring us? Right, a calm effect. So, a roller skating rink has lots of bright colored flashing lights. So, what kind of effect would that bring? Right, exciting. Good job. All right, let's keep reading. Communicate with light. Lights can be used to communicate. You communicate when you share a message. Lights tell you what to do. A lit up sign can tell you where to go. A lit up sign can tell you when a store is open. Lights keep you safe, and lights keep you from tripping. Lights warn you of danger. So this asks us to infer, what is the message of the lights on an ambulance? So we're going to write a caption for the photo that gives the message. So basically, when we see these lights on an ambulance, it means that we need to move out of the way because the ambulance is coming through quickly. All right, so what are some uses of light? We know that light is used to tell you where to go, to keep you safe, and to warn you of danger. So what part of the reading provides evidence for your answer? Well, we would have the first paragraph and the second paragraph. All right, why would a store owner want to use an open sign that is lit? Well, that means the light makes a message easier to read. All right, so parents and teachers want to see better in the school parking lot at night. So define the problem. Suggest a solution. So the parking lot is too dark and we can add more streetlights and lit signs.